The C-27J Spartan complements the Australian Defence Force's existing air mobility fleet, 35 Squadron and based at RAF Base Amberley. The capabilities of the C-27J bridge the gap between Army helicopters and larger Air Force aircraft. The Spartan aircraft features a 22.7 m length, 9.6 m height, and 28.7 m wingspan, powered by two Rolls-Royce AE2100D2 engines. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 30,500 kilograms, a range of 1,700 kilometers, a ceiling of 30,000 feet, and a top speed of 670 km/h, with capacity for 34 passengers, 21 stretcher patients, or 5,000 kilograms of cargo. Supported by electronic self-protection measures.